It's locked, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Mukkulankatu 19. Not in Mukkula, but I haven't served this area.
Yeah, but in 1966 the serial number is 14534. I hope they're not coming. It says outside here. 4 is locked up, but capacity 45 bursts, so 2000 grams, 3 is locked up, 2 is yeah, lost there. Yeah, here's.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Or you can basically.
Yeah.
Nobody's coming. Too loud sounds. It's locked up from there.
Yeah.
We renovated this place, but they kept the elevators and ventilation.
Mm-hmm.
And then there was some more design here that we didn't film.
Yeah.
We don't have time for it.
Yeah, of course.
There's a light switch inside also.
Yeah.
It's too loud.
Yeah. Ah.
Too loud.
Yeah.
They didn't come out. Yeah, and then to go on. Very embarrassing. It should not come here. It's embarrassing. No. Don't come.
That's
That's it. Thank you.